Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy A73 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both. Now click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on those two smartphones. Click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this newsletters and updates window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung and Receive at the bottom next to Send on an Android. Also on an Android, click on the best option for your ads in Personalize Your Ad section. Then click on Close this window and go back to Samsung. Finally, you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories and choose Send next to Selected. This way, you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. You can also just click on the chosen ones, like that, and tap on Send then. From waiting area, tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and select the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, you need to tap on this scanning icon next to Input key. Choose while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at this code in order to connect. If you want to enter 6-digit key though, you need to tap on Input key section below Enter the key. Now type in all of those numbers correctly and connect using Receive button. So now when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!